Hi, welcome to the Ninja Runner game app. As you can see on the screen, we have the dashboard on the screen for the Ninja Runner game app. This is being played on the Corona simulator. We have three options. The first option being the Play Now button. On clicking the Play Now button, you would be able to visit the level selector screen, and on selecting a particular level, you can play the game based on the front end game engine, which has already been demonstrated by the front end team. You can move easily through the different screens by clicking on the Go Back button. On clicking the Store button, you would be redirected to the Ninja Dome game store, in which we display different power-up information on the screen. The information regarding a power-up, as in the value of the power-up, the cost of the power-up, and the information as to what the power-up would do, displays on this page scroll. We also display the total coins that a particular user has earned in the game. You can move through different power-ups by clicking on the previous or the next words in the screen. Suppose you want to select a particular power-up and purchase that power-up. You can just keep that power-up on the screen and click the buy button. Note the total coins would change and subtract by 200. All these occurrences take place dynamically. Now moving further on to the Facebook connectivity and social media interaction. If the user is not logged on to Facebook using the default Facebook app, our app requests the user for his Facebook credentials. On the other hand, if the user is already logged in on Facebook, on clicking the Facebook button, he would be redirected to an option screen. In this option screen, the user can choose to either select his friends first and then the level, or the levels first and then the friend to play against in a multiplayer environment. Suppose I select friends first. Based on web service calls, we would get all the friends that are playing this game and are on Facebook of the particular user. In this case, suppose I select Venu, it would go ahead and show me all the levels that Venu has played along with the high scores he has accomplished on each of the levels. On selecting any one of the levels, we would then retrieve the Ghost Play file and connect with the front-end team's code-based game engine, which would enable the user to play against Venu at say level 10 and compete for the high score of 1000. If I go back and select on levels, I would first be able to select a particular level on which I want to play the game, say level 2. And on level 2, I have the high scores of all the friends that are playing this game and are in my Facebook friend list. On selecting this combination of level and friends, as I mentioned before, we would select a particular Ghost Play file and send it back to the front-end team game engine. That's all from the demonstration. Thank you.